The Nigerian police has confirmed that a woman was killed and 8 persons injured in a bomb blast which occurred in the crowded New Road Motor Park located at Sabon, Gari, a predominantly Christian area of Kano State in northwest Nigeria. Kano State Police spokesman Magaji Majia said travelers were the target of the bomb explosion. He further said the bomber hit the improvised explosive device inside a fridge which he placed on a cart and detonated it close to a luxurious bus. The bus was said to be loading passengers heading to Port Harcourt at the time of the incident. The blast comes a day after twin explosions rocked Kaduna State, leaving about 80 persons dead. The two attacks, which occurred within hours of each other, targeted former head of state General Muhammadu Buhari and senior Islamic cleric Dahiru Bauchi, a fierce critic of Boko Haram. The former head of state has issued a statement saying it was clearly an assassination attempt. He, however, did not accuse anyone. No group has claimed responsibility for the attack, but virtually everyone says Boko Haram might be responsible. Meanwhile, the 24-hour curfew imposed on Kaduna State following the twin bomb blast has been lifted.